Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to the online maths classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am your Joyce Miss. How are you my dear children? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In last class, we learned about shapes and its sizes. We learned shapes can be different sizes. So today, let us learn a new topic. Are you ready children? Yes. Now, we are going to discuss about straight lines and curved lines. What is straight line and curved line? Yes. Let us see. See children, here you can see some points marked, right? Here we have three sets of points. Each set you can see 2 points. Here we have to join these 2 points. Tell me children, how can we join these 2 points? Let us try. We can join these 2 points by drawing a line like this. Right children? Yes. Then the next one, we can join these 2 points by drawing a line like this. Then the third one, let us join these 2 points by drawing a line like this. Okay children, can you say what is the difference between these 3 lines? Let us see. In this line, we can see some bends. That is, this line has some bends, ups and downs like this. Okay, then the second line. Here also we can see some bends. Then the third line. Is there any bends in this line? No, this line does not have any bends. Then what do we call such lines? Yes, we call such lines as straight lines. We call such lines as straight lines. This line does not have any bends. Then tell me, what is a straight line? A line that does not have a bend. That is, a line that does not have any bend is called straight line. Is it clear? Yes. Children, now we learn what is a straight line. Tell me, what is a straight line? Yes, a straight line is a line that does not have any bend on it. Is it clear? Then, can you say what is a curved line? Let us see. See children, here you can see many lines, right? Can you see any common thing in these lines? Yes, all these lines have some bends or curves. You can see curves on these lines, right? Is it a straight line? No.
It has some bends.
All these lines have some bends or curve in it. So these lines which is not straight and which have some bends or curves in it is called curved lines. In these lines which is not straight and which have some bends or curves is called curved lines. Tell me, what is a curved line? Yes, a line which has some bends or curves is called curved line. Is it clear children? Yes.
Let us do some exercise problems in your textbook. I will read the question. First one, which of these are made up of only straight lines? Put a tick on them. Here we can see some numbers, letters, etc. We have to find out which letter or number are made up of only straight lines. We know what is a straight line. Tell me children, what is a straight line? Yes, a straight line is a line that does not have any bend or curve in it. So let us check it. The first one, number 1. The number 1 made up of only straight lines. So let us tick on it. The next is number 3. Here we can see the number 3 made up of curved lines. We can see two curves on the number 3. So we can't tick on it. The next is capital letter A. Here we know the letter A made up of only straight lines. Here we can see 3 straight lines. So let us tick on it. The next is capital letter B. Tell me children, can you tick on it? No, because the letter B is made up of straight lines and curved lines. In the letter B, we can see two curves and one straight line. So we cannot tick on it. The next letter is C. We all know the letter C is a curve. So we can't tick on it. So the number 1 and the letter A are made up of only straight lines. Is it clear children? Yes. Let us solve the next problem. Which of these are made up of only curved lines? Put a cross on them. Here we have to find out which letter or number are made up of only curved lines. Let us check it. The first one, 6. Here we can see the number 6 is made up of curved lines. So let us cross it. The next one, number 7. Here we know the number 7 made up of only straight lines. Here we can see two straight lines. So we cannot cross it because the number 7 made up of straight lines, not curved lines. Okay. The next one, capital letter D. Here we can see the letter D is made up of one straight line and one curve. So we cannot cross it because our question is which number or letter are made up of only curved lines. Here we can see curved line and straight line. So we cannot cross it. Let us move to the next letter. The next letter is S. The letter S is made up of only curved lines. So let us cross it. The next one, letter U. We know the letter U is made up of curved lines. So we can cross it. So the number 6 and the letters S and U are made up of only curved lines. Let us solve one more question. I will read the question. Which of these are made up of both straight and curved lines? Draw a circle around them. We learned a straight line is a line that does not have any bend or curve. Then tell me children, what is a curved line? Yes, the line which have some bends or curves is called curved line. Here our question is, which of these are made up of both straight and curved lines? Let us check it. The first one, number 2. In the number 2, we can see one curved line and one straight line. So let us circle the number 2. Let us move to the next one. That is number 4. Here we can see the number 4 is made up of only straight lines. In the number 4 we can see 3 straight lines. So we cannot circle this number. Then the next one, capital letter E. The letter E is made up of only straight lines. Here we can see 4 straight lines in the letter E. Let's move to the next letter, that is capital letter G. In the letter G we can see one straight line and one curve. So let us circle the letter G because the letter G is made up of both straight and curved lines. Let us check the last one, that is capital letter J. We know the capital letter J is made up of straight line and curved line. So let us circle the letter J. Is it clear, children? Okay. I hope you have understood how to solve these kind of problems. Okay, children? Yes.
Children, today we learned about straight lines and curved lines. I hope you have understood about these lines. Children, I have attached the notes of lesson and a worksheet along with this video. You have to do the exercise problems in your textbook. That is exercise number 3. Let me conclude today's session. See you in the next class with another topic. Till then, bye.